Hello everyone, in today's lesson we're going to learn about our last use of the subjunctive with noun clauses, which is the use of the subjunctive with verbs and expressions of doubt and denial. So let's begin. So we use the subjunctive with verbs and expressions of doubt or denial when we want to express doubt, obviously, uncertainty, or when we want to negate something. So, doubt and denial follow the same structure as with the other uses. Subject 1, verb in indicative. Subject 2, verb in subjunctive. Let's take a look at a sentence. No creo que ella nos quiera engañar. We have our negation, no, verb 1 and subject 1, yo creo, and creer is in the indicative, ella is my subject 2, and then quiera is my verb in the subjunctive. Now let's take a look at all the verbs and expressions of doubt and denial, the most common ones. So the verb dudar, to doubt, es imposible, it is impossible. Es improbable, it's improbable. Es poco cierto, es poco seguro. No es posible, or es posible in its positive form. No es probable, or es probable. Negar, to deny. And notice that this is a verb that has a stem change from e to ie. No creer. And I'm going to place a star on this verb. No es evidente. No es cierto, or no es seguro. No es verdad. No estar seguro de. Okay, let's continue. So with the verb creer and pensar, these verbs are verbs of opinion. And as a result, when they are used in the positive form, then they are followed by the indicative. For example, pienso que va a llover. So although pensar has some doubt, it's my opinion, it's what I'm thinking. So as a result, the verb to go has to be in the indicative. Now if I say no pienso que vaya a llover, so because I am negating my opinion, that negation has more power, and as a result, the verb ir needs to be in the subjunctive. So let's take a look at the sentence. Katy duda poder terminar la tarea. So notice that we only have one subject, Katy. And although we have a verb of doubt, notice that the verbs that followed are in infinitive and that there is no que in the sentence. So if there is only one subject and we are using either a verb of doubt, denial, influence, or will, there are two rules. One, the verb that follows is in the infinitive, and two, we don't need the que in the sentence. So the key things to remember are, first, pensar and creer are verbs of opinion, and they are followed by a verb in the indicative. No pensar and no creer is negation, and they are followed by a verb in the subjunctive. Third, if there is only one subject with either a verb of doubt, denial, will, or influence, the verb that follows is always in infinitive and there is no que in the sentence. And that's it for today.